Hi, it's Marie from Crafty Ree here today. I'm sharing with you the book that I just got in the mail yesterday. It's awesome. It's a great size, actually. I like this size book. And it's a pattern book, a sewing pattern book, but kind of without the patterns. So it's a pattern-free book. I have another pattern book like this from a different designer, and they basically use shapes like square shapes, triangles, circles, and then you make a project from there. Whereas this is you start with your project in mind, with your measurements, and you go from there. Whereas the other book is also good, but this is a bit more youthful, upbeat, a bit more carefree. I'll link the title in for the other book in the description below if I can remember. I mean, I'll search my entire house for this book, but in my case, if I want something, I can never find it, and it's hidden somewhere in a to-do pile. But things, I got lots of to-do piles, and it's just somewhere. So this book is called Sew It Yourself, brand new release by Daisy Braid, and I found her via her Instagram page, which is DIY Daisy. So it's really lovely. I love this book. Wish I'd had this book when I was in my 20s. So the front cover actually has some neckline templates, which is super handy, and the back, what everyone needs in their life, pattern template. So how cool is that an idea? And then we've got the for opening pages and the contents and how to, what's all in here, all the projects. I mean, look at them all, heaps. And then what really got me was the sweetest introduction. Where is it? Here it is. The sweetest dedication blurb ever. I mean, seriously, make my heart weep. Okay, so let's just go through it. So you've got your introduction. So then you've got your getting started, how to use this book, which, if you're using a book like this, always helps to start with here. What you kind of need, your sewing supplies, all the different doodads that you probably got lying around the house would be good to have in one spot for sewing. How to do your fabric, different types of fabric. Look at that, beautiful. Wouldn't you like to have that? Okay. Then we've got your basic sewing basics, your techniques, how she works out her formulas, how to take your measurements, very important. How to calculate the fabric you need, super important when it comes to these sorts of things. How to cut your pattern pieces, all the different types of seams, how to finish your seams, curves, how to do the gathering, how to unpick a seam. Ironically, this is actually a really, really handy skill to have, honestly, because you'll probably do it a lot. How to make bias binding, how to use the bias binding, how to use the neckline templates, casings, cute as pockets I've ever seen, how to do the pockets, make patch pockets, hems, how to add a handmade label. Yes, hello, we need handmade labels in our stuff. And it starts on the projects. So we've got scrunchie, different types of scrunchies, a bandana, which is like everyone needs a bandana in their life, triangle top, not really for me, but it's still cute, tote bag, a ruffle tote, pocket bag. What else have we got? Scrunchy with strap bags. That's quite cute. I like that idea. A belt, hair scarf, scrunchy headband. I'm like, seriously, going to make these for my daughters. Two-tone headbands. Face masks is like, we need them nowadays, don't we? So aprons, a nice crossback apron. An apron crop. A gathered collar. Now, this is a weird one. I don't understand this one. I mean, it's not me, so it's probably why I don't understand it. Rectangle collar. I'm never wearing anything like that. Button earrings. Cute as. Look at that. Hair accessories. Then we get to the clothes. Most importantly, the rectangle sleeve top. That's cool. I like that one. How to do it. The sleeve jacket, which is like, hello. Imagine that longer for a dressing gown. Skirt, and then we've got a variation of the skirt. I mean, how cool is that? Never thought of doing that before in my life. I love that idea. High neckline top. How cute's that? Love it. It's a ruffle dress. And then we've got a square neckline top. Did I just skip something? No. Love this one. The balloon sleeve type dress is actually just like the dress I just finished before. It's from a different pattern. A peplon top. A tiered gather dress. I've been looking for a pattern for this, but with a different sleeves I'd like. The ruffle dress. Hello, I like that. What else have we got? A wrap bib. Be handy with like a extension of the apron down there as well. A ruffle skirt. My daughter would love these, especially the one that's coming up. Here's the double ruffle skirt. The raglan top. What else have we got? Oh, I missed a page, have I? Raglan dress, which is cute. Oops, it's gone crazy. Getting towards the end of the book. A trace dress, where you use your favourite t-shirt, which, like, you know, I do have a favourite t-shirt. Now I want to turn it into a dress. Turn it a keyhole top. Trace pants. So I do this anyway, but it's good to actually show in there for people to do. And then just patch pocket shorts. That's it.
So all in all, I really, really like this book. I honestly think it's one of the best pattern books to come out for a while now. But I just wish it was a little bit more unisex. I really want to share it with my son, but it's all girl stuff. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it does so well that they do a second book, and the second book will be unisex, and they include things like more slim fitting tunic tops that we can wear, both sexes can wear, you know, with the narrower sleeve jackets, trousers with the little drawstring waist that you can make in jersey fabric for jammies, or you can make in a linen for lounging around the house or going on holiday, or you could put a bib thingy on it, whatever they're called, and make overalls, or you could barbecue apron, a tie, like a cowl to wear around the neck, and another cowl with like a little zip to put your stuff in, and boxes and shorts and lots of stuff. But you know, fingers crossed for book 2 or book 2, is that rude? I don't know. So but I'm still going to show my son the book because it's an awesome book, and it'll help open up his mind when it comes to sewing. And this book is great for beginner sewers who don't understand all the terminologies and patterns are confusing. And it'll also help more advanced sewers. Like, I've been sewing for years. I wouldn't exactly call myself an advanced seamstress, but I can do most things. But it's good sometimes opening a book up that just kind of lets the creativity flow, and you're not restricted to cut this piece out like this and attach that. It's a relaxing way of life, this book, because it just lets go, you know, you go with the flow, and I like that. So grab the book. It is awesome. Let's hope for a second book that's more unisex, but you know what, it's universal in size because it's your size, and I think that's what's most important in life. So I hope you like it. Let me know if you grab it, and tell me what you think of it. Okay, see ya.